Hello everyone, this is lesson number 22, HSK 1, dialogue with words from the last lesson, so we can practice them more. And dialogue number 1, making plans for lunch. What time is it now? 现在几点了？现在 right now 几点 how much 几 how much how many 点 it's hours, so how many hours right now? 现在几点了？几点了？ And it's like part of this construction. For example, you can say 几岁了,几点了, and so on. And his answer, it's 11:40 now. It's 11:40 now. So 现在是11:40。现在 right now is 11 10 and 1 it's 11 11 11 o'clock 40分 for 10 so it's 40 and fun is for minute, so 现在是11:40。Let's have a lunch together at noon. 中午我们一起吃饭吧。中午 at exactly at like noon at midday. 我们一起 we together 一起吃饭吧。Let's eat some food. 吃饭吧。Have a lunch. Lunch because it's in this area 中午 but it's really just random. It doesn't have connection with together. Next one. And he answers, great idea. What do you want to eat? 好主意，好主意。你想吃什么？你想吃什么？好主意 good. 主意 it's idea, so like suggestion, idea. 好主意。你想吃什么？ You want eat what? So 你想 no 你想吃什么？想吃什么？ What do you want to eat? Let's go eat Chinese food. 我们就吃中国菜吧。中国菜。So we go ba. Here's ba for let's. So let's we go to do what? 吃 to eat what? 中国菜 is like food cuisine, so some it's really a lot of different meanings, but the most popular is one dish, cuisine, food, menu, meal, cooking type. So 你个概念，我们就吃中国菜吧，中国菜 Chinese food. Okay, see you at 12. 好，12点见，12点见。So 10, 12, 10 and 2 it's 12. 12点 hours 见is to see someone. So Chinese typically say 12点见 or 还是we can say 下个星期日见，下个次见。So next time we will see you next time, see you next week, see you next year, just like that. See you at 12. Dialogue number 2, talking about movie. Let's go watch a movie tonight. 我们晚上去看电影吧。we 晚上 at night. One is some late time. It could be late like adjective, but also about time. 晚上 it's 上 here is represent after. No, before night. Because one is like late. So 晚上 like let's see, late evening, sooner, night. Maybe 晚上 before it's too late. But don't just it's like evening. It could be evening, could be tonight. Let's see, night, evening, day, nighttime, midnight. So it's It depends on situation. 我们晚上去看电影吧。So let's see a movie. Go to watch an electric shadow. 电影 it's a movie. Okay, what time does the movie start? 好，电影几点开始？电影 this movie 几点 how at what time? So how many hours? 开始 it's to start something. So it start at what time? You can it could be translated different ways. The movie starts at 7 o'clock. 电影几点开始 Film or movie 7 o'clock. 开始 it's to start something. So starts at 7. Let's meet at 6:30. 我们6点半见面吧。There is new word. 我们6点 we already know 6 hour. But here is new word 半 it's half, literally half. For example, half a year, slice it in two halves, into two pieces in a half. So 半 it's half. So 我们6点半 it's 6:30. For example, 一个下个月吧，我已经学习了。I already learned, for example, Chinese for 2.5 month, like 2个月半, for example. But let's see further. 我们6点半见面 see faces. To see in face, like to meet someone. 见面吧。And he answers, okay, I will wait for you in the front of the cinema. 好，我在电影院前等你。There is also a few new words. Okay, 我在 I am at movie 电影 we already know, but here is new word 院 It's something like a place for. It could be like a chamber, like a some space, some room. Okay, some room with some spaces. For example, chamber, house. It's depend on situation. So here is you can imagine a room, chamber with movies. So 电影院 it's cinema. 电影院前 here is 前 before, in front of. But here is not about time, it's about places. 前等 it's to wait someone. So 我在电影院前等你 I'm in front of a cinema. I wait you. 等你 But don't be. These words we will further learn. Next one, discussing living arrangements. Where do you live? 你住在哪儿？你住在哪儿？ You live at what? At which place? I live in Beijing. How about you? 我住在北京。你呢？我住在北京。I live at Beijing. 你呢？ What about you? I also live at Beijing. Which district do you live in? 我也住在北京。Yeah, I also live at Beijing. 你住在北京哪个区？ Here is 区 It's some area, some district, you can say. In this situation, it's district, I think. But it could also have a lot of meaning. 你住在北京哪个区？ So, at Beijing, which district? 哪个 which one? Which district do you live? And he answers, I live in Chaoyang district. It's just a name. 我住在朝阳区。This is Chao. It's like a dynasties, I think. Oh no, it's another one. Interesting. Short face. Yang. It's 太阳的阳. It's some like in yang 的阳. but let's skip for now. I live in Haidian district. 我住在海淀区。海 it's some like sea. You can see this on the left part. It's water. Some keys water. 点 amyloid stars. 海淀 just a name. 我住在海淀区 district. Dialect number 4, asking about time. What time is it now? 现在几点？几点？现在几点？ What time is it now? It's 2:15 now. 现在是2:15. Right now, 现在 is, here is a new word, 两. It's like a couple. It's a 2, for example, 2:15, like we say. But we know R, it's also 2. But 两, it's for not numbers, for example, for hours, for money. But in dates, it's not, it's original R for dates. For days, think something. No, it's the main difference. For example, you cannot say 2个人, you can say 2个人, 2 people, 2个人. But 20号, 20号. Interesting, because I think for time we can use both and 2 and 2. 现在是2:15. Right now is 2 hours and 10 5. It's 15 minutes. 15分. So 2:15. When will you go home? 你什么时候回家？你什么时候 At which time? So which 什么 what? So 时候 it's time. So what time? It's when. 你什么时候回家？回 is to come back to somewhere. 家 is a house. So 回家 to go home. I will go home at 5 o'clock. 我5点 Here's a lot of third word. So 我5点回家。我5点回家。I 5 o'clock return home. 我5点回家。There is in English it's first go home, then 5 o'clock, but in Chinese time, then other sentence. So you cannot say 我回家5点。我5点回家。Let's meet before 5. Before 5. 我们5点见面吧。We 5 o'clock 5点见 before 5 o'clock 5点见。And to do what? 见面吧。见 here is 见 here is 见字 here is 次 like something. 见 here is 见more字见面吧。Let's meet at 5 o'clock. Okay, I will wait for you in the front of the company. 好，我在公司前。公司 it's an office or company. Literally company. 我在公司前 in front of company, but I think it's like building of company. 等你 I wait. 等你 I will wait you. So 我在公司前等你。公司 company. But don't need 公司 but it don't necessary for now. And last one, talking about daily routine. Did you have lunch at noon? 你中午吃饭了吗？你中午 at midday 吃饭了。Did you eat? 吃饭了 to eat something. 吃饭了吗？你中午吃饭了吗？Not yet. How about you? 还没 you can say 还没有还没有还是 no 还是 no only 还没有or还没。你呢 What about you? 还 here is still. 没 it's like not. So 还没 it's not yet. I haven't eaten either. Let's go eat together. 我也没吃，我也没吃。I also didn't eat, so I haven't eaten either. 我们一起 together to go to 吃饭吧 to eat. So let's go and bar for less. 我们一起去吃饭吧 Let's go eat together. Okay, what do you want to eat? 好，你想吃什么？好，你想 you want 吃什么 eat what? So 你想吃什么？ Let's go eat noodles. 我们去吃面条。我们去吃 Let's go eat and eat 吃 eat to eat something and eat what? 面条 Here is 面 for flour for bread you can say. 条 it's long strips, long narrow lines of like macarons, in noodles. 面条 so this lines made of bread or flour, you can say noodles. 面条 it's noodles. 我们就吃面条吧。好主意，好主意，好主意。Great idea. Good idea. Good suggestion. So it's all for today. I think it's not so hard, but some points, of course, it's hard. Some grammar points maybe, but let's slowly we will understand them. So we will see you in the next lesson. I will see you.